Did you know these 3 facts about animals? Number 1, flamingos aren't born pink, they're gray. They turn pink because of a compound called beta-carotene. It's found in all the shrimp and algae they eat, which gets stored in their feathers over time. Number 2, axolotls can regrow almost anything. They can regrow their heart, lungs, spine, and even parts of their brain, no problem. These salamanders have nearly total regenerative ability. Number 3, sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Dolphins can generally stay underwater for 15 minutes, but that's nothing on these lazy dudes. Because of their extremely slow heart rate, they can stay submerged in water for up to 40 minutes. That's longer than some aquatic mammals. Tag someone who won't believe this.